Looking good.
Before traveling to a destination, one of the best ways to get familiar with an area is to explore it visually. With Google Earth Flight Simulator, you can do exactly that. And actually, it's a lot of fun. You can even capture these flights and use them as segments in your upcoming travel videos. When logged in with your Google account, go to earth.google.com. Select the gear icon to adjust your settings. If you're recording video, set the rendering quality to the highest option. The flight animation speed controls how fast the map moves when jumping between locations, but not the speed during actual flight. Next, navigate to a location where you'd like to start flying. Then from the Tools menu, drop down and choose Flight Simulator. You'll immediately enter flight mode. To control the aircraft, simply hold the left mouse button and use your mouse as a control stick. I found the controls surprisingly natural, very similar to real flight movement. Here we'll do a missed approach at SFO, then proceed north to straddle the towers of the Golden Gate Bridge. In addition to flight simulation, you can also capture transitions between locations. For example, here we zoom from Las Vegas to San Francisco. Now I'll demonstrate how to capture videos using the Windows Snipping Tool. There are other tools available, but this one is free and already built into Windows. First, open the Snipping Tool and select the video icon. Next, choose the rectangle option and select the area you want to record. Then start recording. Go to Tools, Flight Simulator, and now we're flying. We can fly down to the National Monument. But this part isn't critical. The key step is to stop the recording. When you stop, the Snipping Tool automatically opens a preview of your video. From here, you can play it back right away. You can also open the Screen Recordings folder to access the saved video file. Whether you're exploring ahead of a trip or creating travel content, Google Earth gives you a simple way to visualize and capture the journey. Keep tripping.